Hi, today I'll be showing my wife how to use the AI wash feature of the dishwasher and explain what's so great about it. I'm usually the one doing the dishes. Well then, shall we head to the kitchen? For the plates, here.
Okay.
And now for the cups, there's a customizable area right here. It's got a dedicated nozzle so it cleans well, and it's great use of space.
Well, look at that. You know, I always had a problem because we never had enough space for cups. But now, don't have to worry about it.
Not at all. Now, set it to on AI wash mode, push start, and that's it.
That's it?
Yes, because AI wash takes care of the settings. It analyzes the dirt level of the dishes and automatically adjusts the wash time, water temperature, and rinse cycle, so there's no need to set it manually. Also, contamination analysis doesn't just happen once. It is continuously sensed during the cleaning process at each stage to maintain the optimal time and temperature, so it helps save water and energy as well.
Wow, can't wait to see how clean these dishes are.
Right?
Wow, look how clean it is.
With AI Wash, you can get the dishes done easily and still get them thoroughly clean.
Smart at the touch of a button. You should experience the power of AI in your dishwasher